you our very popular item, the Inverter Hybrid 6.2K. It has a BMS communication function which can activate the BMS automatically and the charging and discharging batteries with both solar power, grid power, and generators. There is a big problem when you use lithium batteries is that sometimes the batteries get over-discharged. Your battery may become dead when it doesn't have enough power, but our inverters can activate your battery automatically, charging it and reactivate it so that your batteries will never become dead. Our batteries has a hybrid power charging and power supply modes, which can supply power to your loads, to your home appliances, with solar power, utility power, and battery power, and switching between them automatically, seamlessly, intelligently. And all this is done by our inverters themselves, automatically, without you doing anything. It can help you switching between mains power, grid power, solar power, and battery power. This inverter features a double AC output. So you can separate your critical loads and your non-necessary loads into two different circuits. When you have enough solar power, enough battery power, all the devices can have power. But when the machine's devices run on battery only, and the battery power becomes lower and lower, at a certain point, it cuts off the non-necessary AC output. So, like the air conditioners, ovens, these non-necessary ones will be cut off. We will keep powering the critical loads like refrigerators, the lights, everything. These are absolutely necessary ones will be kept in the power by the battery, and then the power will be running slowly. This will be switched automatically so that your battery power can power your house for a longer time. We have recently upgraded our inverter to have a very high solar power input. It means with one inverter you can get more solar power, you can save more money and power more loads with a bigger battery. So only the same cost. It doesn't increase your cost. Inverter will charge your battery from in a smart way, either from the solar power and the grid power. It charges them automatically. So it can also use hybrid power to charge your batteries. And we also pay great attention to the protection and safety of our inverters. When you connect them wrong in a mistaken way, we have fuses like this here. It protects the machine very well and also protects your batteries when the connection is not correct. And with this system, you can work with them without battery. It means if you have the budget, you can buy the battery together with the inverter and solar panels. But if you don't have the budget yet, you can invest in the inverter and solar panels first. And afterwards, when you get more money, you can buy the battery. So it can work both ways. It's very easy to expand your system and to control your budget. And one of the very important functions of this inverter is that it can be paralleled up to 9 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 9 pieces. When you connect 9 pieces together, it can be more than 50K. So it's very easy for you to expand your system whenever you have more power requirements. And we also have a Wi-Fi monitoring app for the inverter. So how much power generated, how much power consumption, it can be monitored with the communication to the Wi-Fi module and communication to the battery. So it's a very smart system. This inverter is built with the latest design, intelligent software, and upgraded function. We are always upgrading the inverter so that it can optimize your power usage and protect all the home appliances which you want to use with solar. And this one can be used with very low cost and safety. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.